Ever felt like you're holding on to digital gold, but you're not quite sure how to move it around? You've got your crypto, maybe some Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a handful of others tucked away on Kraken, but the thought of sending it to another wallet feels daunting? Like navigating a labyrinth blindfolded? You're not alone. I mean, let's be real, the world of crypto can feel like a high-stakes adventure, and the last thing you want is to lose your treasure in the process. We've all heard the horror stories, the typos, the wrong network selections, the poof, gone forever moments. But what if I told you sending crypto from Kraken doesn't have to be a white-knuckle ride? What if it could be, dare I say, almost easy? See, here's the thing. We live in a world where digital assets are becoming increasingly integrated into our lives. Whether you're paying for services, diversifying your investments, or simply wanting to move your crypto to a wallet where you have full control, knowing how to transfer funds securely is absolutely crucial. And Kraken, while a powerful exchange, can seem a bit intimidating at first. But beneath the surface, it's designed to be user-friendly, with robust security measures in place. Think of it like this: Kraken is your secure vault, holding your precious digital assets. Now, you want to move some of those assets to your own personal safe, your external wallet. This safe could be a hardware wallet, like a Ledger or Trezor, a software wallet on your phone or computer, or even another exchange. The process is essentially the same, regardless of the destination. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's address the elephant in the room: security. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Once you send those coins, they're gone. There's no undo button. That's why accuracy and attention to detail are paramount. We're talking double-checking, triple-checking, and then checking again. It's like sending a wire transfer, but with even higher stakes. Now, let's break down the process into simple, actionable steps. First, you'll need to locate your destination wallet address. This is your unique identifier, your digital postal code. It's a long string of alphanumeric characters, and it's absolutely crucial that you get it right. One wrong character, and your funds could be lost forever. So, where do you find this address? It depends on your wallet. If it's a hardware wallet, you'll find it within the wallet's interface. If it's a software wallet, it'll be displayed in the Receive or Deposit section. If it's another exchange, it'll be in the Deposit section for that specific cryptocurrency. Remember, each cryptocurrency has its own unique address. You can't send Bitcoin to an Ethereum address, or vice versa. That's like trying to send a letter to the wrong country. It simply won't work. Once you have your destination address, it's time to head over to Kraken. Log into your account, and navigate to the Funding section. Here, you'll see a list of your available cryptocurrencies. Select the one you want to send. Now, look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. This will bring up a form where you'll enter the destination address and the amount you want to send. This is where the magic, and the potential for disaster, happens. Take your time. Copy and paste the destination address directly from your wallet. Don't type it manually. Even a single typo can lead to disaster. Double-check that the address matches exactly. Some wallets even offer QR code scanning, which can help eliminate the risk of errors. Next, enter the amount you want to send. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees. Kraken, like most exchanges, charges a small fee for withdrawals. This fee varies depending on the cryptocurrency and the network congestion. Make sure you factor this into your calculations. Now, here's a crucial step: network selection. Some cryptocurrencies operate on multiple networks. For example, Ethereum can be sent on the Ethereum network, ERC-20, the Binance Smart Chain, BEP-20, or other networks. Always ensure you select the correct network. Sending your funds on the wrong network can result in irreversible loss. Once you've filled in all the details, double-check everything. Take a deep breath. Read the address again. Verify the amount. Confirm the network. If you're unsure about anything, stop. Take a break. Do some research. It's better to be safe than sorry. After you've double-checked everything, you'll likely be asked to confirm the transaction. Kraken has robust security measures in place, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, to protect your funds. You'll need to enter your 2FA code to authorize the withdrawal. Once you've confirmed the transaction, it's sent to the blockchain. The speed of the transaction depends on the network congestion and the cryptocurrency you're sending. Some transactions are processed within minutes, while others can take hours. You can track the progress of your transaction on the blockchain using a blockchain explorer. Kraken will provide you with a transaction ID, which you can use to track the transaction. Now, let's talk about some best practices. First, always send a small test transaction before sending a large amount. This allows you to verify that everything is working correctly and that you've entered the correct address and network. Second, use a strong, unique password for your Kraken account and enable 2FA. This will help protect your account from unauthorized access. Third, keep your software and hardware wallets updated with the latest security patches. Fourth, be wary of phishing scams. Never click on links from unknown sources or enter your credentials on suspicious websites. And remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about how crypto transactions work, the less risky they become. Take the time to learn about different wallets, networks, and security best practices. There are countless resources available online, including articles, videos, and forums. Here's a quick recap. Locate your destination wallet address. Log into your Kraken account. Navigate to the Funding section and select Withdraw. Enter the destination address and amount. Select the correct network. Double-check everything. Confirm the transaction using 2FA. Track your transaction on the blockchain. Follow security best practices. Sending crypto from Kraken to a wallet doesn't have to be a nerve-wracking experience. By following these steps and taking your time, you can ensure that your funds are transferred safely and securely. Remember, accuracy and attention to detail are key. Treat every transaction like a high-stakes operation, and you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of crypto transfers. And while the process itself is straightforward, the key takeaway is that you are responsible for your funds. The exchange is a tool. You are the operator. You are the one who needs to be vigilant and careful. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.